I'm going to show you how to create a dashboard in the Power BI service from different reports. Let's say that I want this visual to be part of this dashboard I'm creating. I can just hover over this and click on this pin icon. Now I don't have an existing dashboard, so I can't click that, but I can create a new dashboard, and I'll just call that demo dash, and then I'll click pin. All right, now let's go to another dashboard, and let's say I want this one right here to be pinned. Again, I'm just going to hover over it, click the pin. Now I have an existing dashboard. I'm going to keep the current theme. All right, demo dash pin, go to it, and here we have our new visual in our dashboard. So where is this dashboard? Where does it live? Well, if I go to workspaces, the demo workspace here I find it.
For more information on working with Roghnu and exploring how the data portal can help you get the most out of Sage Intacct alongside your other critical business data, scan the code on the screen or click in the link in the description.